The sand is down. The thumb is up. 3, 2, 1, go!
As the sandstorm period is underway, we did have 2 red robots start on hab level 2. That means they'll be able to pick up 6 points apiece for the Red Alliance. All 3 of those robots now have moved forward. 4702 attempting to block in a cargo pod that was placed prior to the sandstorm. But as the shades come up, that pod will roll on out, and the Red Alliance will need to recover it in order to score any points. Cyberdogs do, though, place that hatch panel, although it does fall off right in front of the cargo ship for your Red Alliance. The cargo pod that rolled on out is also right in front of the cargo ship for 4702 to collect. Meanwhile, turning our attention to other Red Alliance robots, Maquanago Bears in red bumpers drop off 3 points of cargo for Red, then race back to a loading station to grab more from a human player. Cyberdogs in red dropping off a hatch panel for your Red Alliance on the red rear Alliance rocket, but it does look like they might be having a little bit of trouble sticking it. They do now for 2 points for your Red Alliance on behalf of Cyberdogs. Meanwhile, on blue, we do see that 2 of those robots are still on level 1 of the hab, where they started at the beginning of the sandstorm possibly, though they did pick up 9 points so far. Their Alliance partner Doodlebots working as hard as they can, coming out of De La Salle this year as one of our rookie teams at this event. Now the other 2 Blue Alliance robots are moving. It looks like they will be able to be successful here in this match, but 2136 Impossible Missions Force is having some trouble maintaining control for your Blue Alliance, spinning in the hab with their manipulator extended. Their Alliance partner Ironclad in front of the Blue Alliance cargo ship. Ironclad trying to line up in front of the cargo ship. Their Alliance partner Doodlebots coming back to the Red Alliance. We now see a solid signal light on a Blue Alliance robot, Impossible Mission Force. They were spinning out of control during the match, and now they have stopped on the Blue Alliance side of the field. Meanwhile, looking back on Red with 30 seconds remaining, Wolfbite is grabbing a cargo pod from a loading station. It looks like they might try to pick up a few more points before racing back to the hab, now with 20 seconds remaining. Alliance partner for Red, Cyberdogs, they do look like they have a ramp on their robot, but possibly opting not to use it with only 10 seconds remaining. Wolfbite try to launch themselves up to level 2. They might pull it off. Wolfbite pulls it off. 6 points for your Red Alliance as time expires in qualification match number 68.
Our Red Alliance taking home the win. Their final score is 65 points to the Blue Alliance's 14. All 3 members of the Red Alliance taking home 2 ranking points from their win and moving up in the rankings.